Alright, Sherry is apparently so cold that we've got a hair dryer out and we're warming up her butt with a hair dryer.
Look at this.
I love it. Oh my God, her feet ain't a plastic bag. That is a trip. So you mean the duct tape on the window didn't help?
Yeah, it helped, but we already cold.
Man.
We just can't plastic.
No one ever knows, do they?
We've got a guy here that really admires you, girl.
He does.
Well, I just said you looked at something and it was 1 second, and the whole deal was done. There was no.
Ba-boom. That's what happens when you're. That's when you're professional.
That's what, well, I noticed it. That's what
Yeah.
I said, you know.
Quick and painless. Y'all could, well, I don't
Got a
know.
little bit of pain.
There was a little bit of pain. But you got that $1 change. Look how handsome.
Oh, yeah, don't put me on YouTube now.
Well, actually, you probably will be.
Oh,
Probably
no.
will be. This fellow's in too.
Yeah, I got it.